University Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you the proper way on how to lay out for your cavity holes. So we'll have to drill some holes into this wall cavity to aid in the drying, get some airflow into that wall cavity. And the first thing you have to do is locate where your wall stud is. And a couple of ways to do that. One, after you remove the baseboard, don't you wish all baseboard removed this easily? A lot of times at the bottom you will see a screw head or a nail head, and that would indicate where your framing member is located. Another way to identify that is go to a wall switch or an electrical outlet. These boxes are going to be attached to framing members, so I can simply go a couple inches on either side, take a screw or a nail, and do this below the baseboard height. Go ahead and insert that screw or nail until you feel something solid. Once you feel something solid, you know that that's where your wall framing is. The next step in the process is I'm going to extend my tape measure here 16 inches, put it on center, and take my pencil and mark where the next stud is. So this is going to indicate where my wall cavity is, my two studs, and where my penetration has to go to get that airflow in there. The next thing that I'm going to do, and I always carry a scrap piece of wood in the truck like this. This is 16 inches long, and I made a center mark at 8 inches. So I can simply line this up where I indicated where my stud was, make a mark on either side, and that would get me to approximately the center of that wall cavity where I can drill my hole. Okay, now that I've got my cavity holes marked out, I can go ahead and make my cavity holes. Several methods you could use. Here's one that is simple, just a spade bit attached to a drill. And I like to keep my 2x4 just as a visual reference. When I go ahead and make that cavity hole, I want to make sure that I'm staying above that bottom plate. Right, and thanks for joining me for this week's Tech Talk. We'll see you next week with a new topic.